In this video, I will show you how to get a money order. So first things first, what is a money order? The money order, according to this article, is a secure alternative to cash or personal check which you can use to send money or pay bills. So this is actually really good because you can cash a money order or deposit it into your bank account. So money orders are safe and secure alternative, and you can purchase money orders at banks and credit unions. Also at variety of locations like big box stores, drugstores, post offices, and even some gas stations. So you can purchase it using these locations right here. So when you buy or cash a money order, you may have to pay a small fee. However, if you lose a money order, it can be replaced again for a fee, which is actually really secure. So in here, you can see how it works. They have fees for the money orders, and they have in here the pros and cons, some advantages and disadvantages as well.